Please follow this complete process correctly to transfer XRP from Vauld to WazirX. Now let's see how it's done. Important points to note. Ripple XRP network requires you to enter both destination address and a destination tag. Failure of adding the destination tag will result in irrecoverable loss of funds while depositing. Confirmations. 2 network confirmations. Send only using the Ripple network. Using any other network will result in loss of funds. Deposit only XRP to this deposit address. Depositing any other asset will result in a loss of funds. Adding destination tag with the deposit address is mandatory. Failure to add destination tag will lead to a loss of funds. Important points to note. Here are details of crypto networks used and gas or network fees, approximate, to transfer from Vauld to another platform. XRP needs both receiver's address and tag. For XRP network, gas and network fee, 0.6 XRP. USDC, BTC, ETH needs only receiver's address. For USDC, ERC20 network, gas and network fee, 4.5 USDC. For BTC network, gas and network fee, 0.00009 BTC. For ETH, ERC20 network, gas and network fee, 0.001 ETH. Transfer of XRP from Vauld to WazirX will be processed and will reflect in WazirX within 3 to 5 business days of submission. I will post another video on how to convert XRP to INR and then deposit INR into bank account using WazirX. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.